Welcome to the project demonstration of gas leaking sensing and alerting system for industries. In this project we are using bridge rectifier, PIC microcontroller, buzzer, crystal oscillator and the sensor. So we are providing the power supply through this power cable. It will take 230 volts of input AC supply and it will be given to this bridge rectifier. It will convert AC into DC and also step down the supply. So it will step down up to 5 volts of AC. Then 5 volts of AC will be converted into DC. So that DC power will be given to this microcontroller. Through microcontroller board, we are providing the power supply for the gas sensor. So let we'll see the demonstration. So we are providing the gas using this lighter. So whenever it will observe the gas, it will give buzzer alert. So whenever it will be identify the gas, it will give the input signal to the microcontroller. That microcontroller pin is this sensor is connected to the A0 pin and also it will process the signal. Then the signal will be given to this buzzer. Buzzer is connected to the C4 pin. So we are using also crystal oscillator. So main aim of the crystal oscillator is to works like a increase the speed of the microcontroller. So fetching the speed of the instruction will be increased by this crystal oscillator. In this way this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.